All right, good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, teacher Knox. So welcome again to math class. So today we are going to study a new topic about geometry. All right, but before that, I am going to ask you random questions, and then you need to answer me in whatever questions that I'm going to throw to you. Okay, so let's start. All right, Pudit, what you have learned in Math 4 last week? What do you remember? You remember only the word that you remember about. Open your mic, Pudit. Open your mic. About. Only a word that you remember.
Last week, we learned about line.
Lines. All right. So Ukik told us about lines. Or how about Pudit? Huh? I cannot hear you. You are muted. About. Where does the line start, Pudit? Start with letter P. P. O. Po. Poi. POI. Who can help Pudit? Pongpad. Where does the line start, Pongpad? Poi. Poi alay. Alay na?
Point.
Point. Very good. Tell it to Pudit. Pudit point. Pudit. All right. So you have point, you have lines. What else, Jom? Open your camera, students, so I can I'm going to start calling you now to those who doesn't have a camera. Okay, so Jom, point, line, what else?
Ray.
Ray, very good. Who else? Um, who else? Kan.
Frame.
Alay
Frame.
Plane. What else? Ukik.
Line segment.
Line segment. What else? Pacharapon. Pacharapon.
Line.
Alay
Intersecting line.
Intersecting line. Very good. What else? Namo. What else? You have the point, you have the line, the ray, the intersecting line. What else? How about the lines that are together? That are together. Parallel lines. Very good. What else? What else? Tata. Tata, what else? What else, Tata? How about the line that has a dot in the middle? What do you call that, Tata? Start with letter M. A line that has a dot in the middle. What do you call the dot in the middle?
Middle line.
Middle line or midpoint. Okay, we are talking about the point there, not the line. Okay, but it is connect or in it connects about the lines. Okay, how about a two-ray? All right, who can guess this one? Huh? A two-ray and a 1 point. What do you call that one? Two-ray or two rays and 1 point. Two rays and 1 point. Start with letter A. Letter A. Letter N. Letter A. All right, pancake.
Angle.
Very good, angle. So today we are going to talk about angles, okay? We are going to talk about angles, okay? So let's have this one. Okay, so this is what we called the things that are being taught last week, okay? So we have the point, the line segment, the line, the ray, the parallel lines, and perpendicular lines, angle, and midpoint, all right? So intersecting lines are also there, okay? So let's have. So this is an example of an angle, okay? This is an example of an angle. Okay, an angle has a two rays, okay? A two rays there. So our two rays there, this is the blue and the red. Those are the rays. So the ray is a line wherein there is one end point and there is an extending line, okay? So that is the ray. So the vertex there is the middle of the points that intersects of the two rays. Okay, so that is the ray. So what is an angle? Anyone? Who can give me the definition of the angle? Can you check your book? What is an angle? Can you check your book? What is an angle?
Look one.
What is an angle? Anyone? Pongpad, I want you to get your book. You're not opening your book. You have your book there. What is an angle? What is an angle? Anyone? All right, I'm going to give you the definition, all right? An angle is a figure that forms of two rays and 1 point. The point is called the vertex, okay? So a figure, this is a figure wherein there is a two rays and 1 point, okay? At the end of the point. The point is called the vertex, okay? In English, Angle is a process wherein you are facing and having another direction of your sides. For example, the person is the vertex. I am looking for, or I am facing at the restaurant, all right? But my angle is between the exit, okay? You can use also angle. It depends on who are you facing or about the directions that you have. It's the similar um, to the math or geometry, all right? But in geometry, in math, we are talking about the figure, okay? In English, we are just going to facing or having having what? Having intersection of the lines, okay? Or intersection of any things that around you, okay? So that is an angle. All right. How are we going to measure an angle? All right. Who knows this one? Who knows this one?
ruler,
All right. Who said ruler? Pongpad said ruler. Who can tell me what is this? Who can tell me what kind of ruler is this? Start with
circle, square,
again.
square,
Pudangdang pangpad.
square,
Again.
square,
Shape. This is a ruler. This is a ruler. What kind of ruler is this? Yes, ukik.
circle,
This is not a circle, ukik. This is half a circle. What do you call this one? Start with letter P. R. If you keep on looking at your book, you can find it there. O. T. R. A.
protractor,
All right, very good, Namo. This is a protractor. All right, protractor. Okay, a protractor is a semicircle device to measure an angle. Okay, this is what you call protractor. Everybody say protractor.
protector, protector, protector,
Protractor. Okay, so a semicircle device wherein we are using to measure an angle. Okay? Okay, so remember that, huh? This is the device that we are using. Okay, now, what are the types of an angle? Okay? What are the types of the angle? So, we have here called an acute angle. Acute angle. So, an acute angle, an angle that is less than 90 degrees, but it is more than 0 degrees, okay? Or 0 degree. So it is an acute angle. It is an angle that is less than 90 degree, but more than 0 degree, okay? What is an acute angle? Pongpad, if you keep on looking at the other stuff, I'm still going to call you. Look at your book, Pongpad, and sit properly, please. Okay. So, an acute angle. Pongpad, what is an acute angle? Listen, ha? Kan, what is an acute angle? Can?
Yeah.
What is an acute angle?
An angle that is less than 90.
All right, 90 degrees. All right, look at this one. Okay, so this is what you call 90 degree. So the 90 and a circle above the number, all right? Or a zero above the number. That is what we call the degree. When we are talking the degree, because we are talking about the circle itself. If you're going to look at our protractor, this is what we call a semicircle. Okay? A semicircle. Okay, so I'm going to explain it later after the types of an angle. Next, we have here the right angle. Okay? The right angle that is exactly 90 degrees.
อันแรกนะคะคือมุมแหลมนะคะถ้าเป็นภาษาไทยคือมุมแหลมมุมที่น้อยกว่า90องศานะคะโอเคทีเชอร์
Okay, so the acute angle is less than 90 degree. The right angle is exactly only one number, exactly 90 degree. It is look like letter L. Okay, straight line and a horizontal line. Okay, that is only a right angle.
อันนี้คือมุมฉากนั่นเองนะคะมุมที่ทำมุม90องศานะคะ
All right, next, obtuse angle. An angle that is greater than 90 degree. All right, can you give me a number that is greater than 90? Greater than 90, but less than 180 degree. Teacher?
อันนี้คือมุมเขาเรียกว่ามุมอะไรมุมป้านนะคะมุมป้านที่ทำมุมมากกว่า90องศานะคะและน้อยกว่านะคะ180องศา
All right, so can you give me a number that is more than 90 degrees? More than 90 degrees. Nipat? Can you give me a number that is more than 90 degree? More than 90.
มุมอะไรที่มากกว่า90ลูกบอกทีเชอร์ไปได้นะคะ
More than 90. All right, Gam. Gam. Can you give me a number that is more than 90 degrees?
Okay. Can you help?
มากกว่า90ลูกอะไรก็ได้ที่มากกว่า90
They are.
Was you over?
Again, please. They are.
Any number that is more than 90.
ที่มากกว่า90องศาลูกคืออะไร90ขึ้นไปอะค่ะ
มุมป้านเหรอไม่รู้ภาษาไทย
ไม่ใช่เขาให้ตัวเลขกับลูกเช่นเลขที่5อะไรเงี้ยค่ะลูกถ้าไม่ถึง95ก็โทษที95
100ก็ได้
Carry like current around the circuit. They connect it
โอเค100
source.
มันยากที่ไหนเนี่ยคืออะไรก็
All
ได้ที่
right,
มันมากกว่า
100. Very good. 100. What else? Ik.
130
130. Very good. What else? Kan. Can
Yes.
give me an angle that is more than 90 but less than 180.
Obtuse angle.
Give me a number. Give me a
number
number.
มากกว่า 90
150.
เออ โอเค
Can you give me the number?
150.
150. Very good. Okay, so those are the numbers that are called obtuse angle. All right, obtuse angle. So an angle that is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Okay, next, we can call this one as a straight angle. Straight angle, look at the example. All right, an angle that is exactly 180 degrees. Okay, that is exactly 180 degrees. So if you're going to look at the one, it is only a straight line. Okay, it can be also like this or like this. All right, vertical or horizontal. All right, any form of the angles, it can be measured. Okay, it is exactly only 180 degrees. Next, reflex angle. All right, reflex angle. Okay, look at this one. Look at the obtuse angle and the reflex angle. The orange part there, the orange part is inside of the angle when you are talking about the obtuse angle. But the reflex angle, it measured outside, all right? Outside of the angle, okay? Outside of the angle because it is more than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees, okay? 360 degrees, okay? You can look at that one outside of the angle, okay? That's what he called reflex angle, okay? Reflex. Next, full angle. Full angle, it is exactly 360 degrees. Okay, look at the full angle. It becomes, or it has a circle outside of their angle. Okay, outside of their angle, they have the full circle or circular part of having an angle. Teacher? Teacher, you are muted.
โอเค นักเรียนเข้าใจไหมคะที่ทีเชอร์ ก็ตามนั้นเลยค่ะ อันนี้คือมุม 360 องศานะคะ เป็นมุมกลับทั้งหมด
Okay, so I think the students understand. All right, I want you to capture a picture of this one. Capture the picture of the type of an angle because some of it are not included in your book. Okay, go.
เรียนให้ นักเรียนแคปหน้าจอไว้ด้วยนะคะ นักเรียน
ทีนี้นะคะข้อสองเนาะข้อสองกับข้อสามนะคะให้ทำเป็นการบ้านนะคะให้ทำเป็นการบ้านนะคะOkay, so that is your question.
All right, I want you to get now your book. All right, book. Open your books on page 189. 189. 189.
เปิดหน้า189นะคะนักเรียน พร้อมยังพร้อมแล้ว
All right, raise your hand if you already open your books on page 189. Can you fix your camera, Can? Show your face. Low, okay. Make it lower, Can. I saw your ceiling. Move your camera. All right. Now, I am going to give you what you're going to do. Okay. You are going to answer number 2 only. Number 2 only. 189, number 2. Look at these figures. Write the types of the angles shown. Okay. Look at the figures and write the types of angle shown. Okay. Ready? 189, number 2 only. So I'm going to give you 3 minutes to do that. That is only 4 items. Go.
ทำเลยนะคะ แค่ข้อ2ใหญ่นะคะ นักเรียนค่ะ มี A B C D นะคะให้นักเรียนเขียนชื่อมุมลงไปเลยค่ะ
Open your camera, students, so I can see what you are doing there.
พาชรพลไปไหนมาลูกเนี่ยอยู่ในรถใช่ไหมครับ หนูมีหนังสือไหมลูก หรือหนูไม่ได้ไป หนูมีไหมครับ โอเคเตรียมพร้อมมาก
Last 2 minutes. 1 minute. And I'm going to start calling to those who are not showing their face. No camera. I'm going to call you. Open your cam, students.
Great workout, man. Hey, you two, I see you doing your thing, boy. Gentlemen, give us some more.
All right, pens up. Everybody pens up. Show me your pen if you're done. Show me your pen if you are done. Okay, very good. Now, let's start. Letter A. Who wants to answer? You are going to tell me the answer and you are going to spell it. Okay? Spell and answer. Answer first, then spell. Right? Ready? Let's have who are not opening their camera. To those who want to be called. Okay, Tirawat. Tirawat.
อยู่ไหมเนี่ย
Dararat Manijan. Can you give me the answer in letter A?
นักเรียนอยู่ไหมคะทำไมเงียบล่ะนักเรียน
If you are not responding to my question, students, I am not going to give you the grades of recitation. That's why if you didn't notice, I am not doing the live in Facebook, okay? Because I want you to gain a points using recitation only. Okay, if you answer, if that is correct or not, it's okay as long as you talk. But if you're not going to talk and if you're not going to tell anything about here, you're just listening, I'm not going to give you points. Clear?
นักเรียนได้ไม่ได้ตอบมาก่อนนะคะ ไม่ใช่ว่าเงียบแบบนี้ จะอยู่หรือเปล่าหรือยังไงเนี่ย
All right, let's start. Nipat. Answer letter A.
Obtuse angle.
Spell.
OBTUSEANGLE.
Very good. Okay, obtuse angle. That is letter A. How about letter B? B. Udit.
Right angle.
Spell.
IDHTANGLE.
Very good. Okay. Letter B. Letter B, gum. Gum, letter C, gum. C.
แก้มได้ยินไหมคะ
หนูแคปไม่ทันนะคะ
เอ่อมุมไหนที่มันน้อยกว่า90องศาลูกหนูได้จดไว้ไหม
มุมแหลม
อืม
หนูไม่ได้จดอะค่ะ หนูแคปไม่ทันดู
โอเค teacher he cannot
No answer, teacher. Pancake. Pancake, letter C, please. Kanokpid. Ratcharak.
Acute angel.
Spell.
ACUTEANGLE.
All right, very good. Next one. Tita pa. Tita pa. Surivong. Letter
Yes.
D. Letter D.
จะดีลูกสุดท้าย มุมสะท้อนลูกที่มากกว่า180องศาเลย ตีอะไรลูก
ดีอะไร ฮะ ก็ครูถามว่าก็ต้อง
leave หนูทานไหมใบชาหนูทานไหมคะ ไม่ได้แคปไว้
ไม่ได้แคปค่ะ
โอเค โอเค teacher she didn't get it
She didn't get the letter D.
because she didn't cap like that's your post in the like at the picture they didn't cap it.
Ah, okay. Who has an answer in letter D? Letter D. Only Pancake has an answer. How about Kan? What is your answer, Kan?
Kan ลูก
Kan.
หนูไม่ได้แคปไว้ครับ
ลีอะไรคะโอ้ไงอุกอิกได้ไหมคะ
Perfect angle.
Spell.
REFLEXANGLE.
All right. Ukik, I will give you extra points. Why do you think that is an reflex angle? I will give you a plus points. How do you think, why do you think that is a reflex angle? Because no sounds ukik.
อุกอิกหนูตอบมาเลยว่า เพราะอะไรหนูคิดว่ามันเป็นมุม reflect angle ค่ะ หนูตอบตรงที่เชื่อเขียนไว้ อธิบายไปเพราะอะไร
Because I think it's between 180 to 360.
All right, that is very good. How about the picture? What does it shows that is a reflex angle? Look at the picture of it. Because of the ukik, I cannot hear you, ukik. Because the circular shape is in inside or outside?
Inside.
Shingla,
อยู่ด้านนอกลูก
inside of the box, but the angle. Look at the angle. Is it inside or outside?
Outside.
Outside. All right. So that's why that is a reflex angle. Very good. Okay. Okay. All right. So homework. You need to bring or you need to have a protractor next meeting. You need to have a protractor. Bring a protractor, just like Jom. Okay? Just like Jom. Teacher?
ข้างหน้าให้มีเครื่องวงกลมมาด้วยนะคะ โอเค เหมือนที่จอมโชว์ให้ดูนะคะ
All right, that is only your homework, okay? You are not going to answer anything. All right? Pudit, you want homework, Pudit? No, you give me a big smile. Okay, so thank you, Pudit. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Teacher Nok. All right, so see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.